My name is Marlon, and in this video, I will show you how to create an image similar to the Bull TV show logo. If we look at the logo, we will see that there are three elements: an image of the face in profile, an image of the face facing forward, and a background image. So here in Photoshop, I have my three images. The first image we are going to work on is the side profile image. We need to separate the image from the background. Select the quick selection tool and select the image. Once the image is selected, click Select and Mask. I did an in-depth tutorial on how to use Select and Mask. A link to that video is on the screen. Select the Refine Edge Brush tool and go around the edges of the hair. Once you are done, under the Output setting, select New Layer with Layer Mask. Then click OK. Next, we are going to separate the front-facing image from the background. Click the Front-Facing Image tab, select the Quick Selection tool, and select the image. Once the image is selected, click Select and Mask, select the Refine Edge Brush tool, and go around the edges of the hair. Once you are done, under the Output settings, this time select New Layer. Then click OK. Now we are going to move the front-facing image into the side profile image document. Click the Move tool, click and drag the image up to the Side Profile Image tab. Then drag the mouse down to the image and release. Now move the top layer below the middle layer. Drag the layer mask from the top layer to the middle layer. Then turn off the visibility of the top layer by clicking the eye icon next to the layer. Turn off the link between the middle layer and the layer mask. This will allow us to adjust the layer and layer mask independently. Click the layer to make it active. The image has to be resized and positioned so the lips on both images are aligned. Select the Move tool and reposition the image so the lips on both images are aligned. Then click Edit, select Transform, then click Scale. Move the mouse pointer over one of the corner points until you see a double-headed arrow. Press and hold the Shift key and drag the mouse to resize the image. Then press Enter and realign the image. Now we are going to add the background image. Press and hold the Control key. For Mac users, press and hold the Command key. Then click the Layer Mask. The layer mask should now be selected. Click the Background Layer tab. Make sure the layer is unlocked. Press and hold the Control key. For Mac users, press and hold the Command key. Then click the Background Image layer. The background image layer should now be selected. Click Edit. Then click Cut. Select the side-facing image. Make sure the mask layer is selected. Then click Edit. Select Paste Special. Then click Paste Into. Then move the layer below the front-facing image layer. Now we are going to apply a quick color grade. Select the front-facing image layer. Click the Create a New Adjustment layer icon. Then select Color Lookup. From the 3D LUT file, select one of the LUTs to color grade the images. Along with the pre-installed LUTs, I have several additional LUTs installed. I have a video on color grading with Photoshop that covers how to install additional LUTs. A link to that video is on the screen. So there you go. That is how you can create an image similar to the Bull TV show logo. If you found this information helpful, please like the video. And if you are new to this channel, I would love to have you subscribe. I upload new Photoshop tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.